So I actually have a lot of commissioned artwork that I need to do, but before I'm able to do anything, I need to test this out. I bought this one yesterday. It's the Winsor and Newton art masking fluid, this one, because I really needed it for some details on my watercolor painting. I'm going to show you. So you can see I have actually already tested it out on some parts of the drawing or the painting, like the hair, and here you can see I couldn't wait. I had to try to take it off and it looks great. Yeah. So I wanted to add more of the masking fluid to this piece. As I already said, I have done like stripes on the pillows, some small details on the clock, her hair. And I was thinking of doing like this part white and also this, because I think I'm going to write something on this later and it will be easier to just have like this part clean. So yeah, and maybe also the book. Yes, the book. I also bought this. It's the Bleedproof white. It's the Rowney. It's like I think it is gouache, but I'm not sure. It's like opaque watercolor. Oh yeah, it's watercolor stuff. It's not gouache. It's Bleedproof opaque watercolor color. Jesus Christ, I can't talk. It covers dyes, markers, and designer colors used with a brush. This one I'm going to use like at the end when the painting is almost done to, you know, create some white lines and stuff like that, like some details. But this is the one that I'm really excited to try today. I'm just gonna show you the sketch I did for this painting that you can't see because of this. I'm using this Sakura, however you say it, sketchbook. I'm really happy with this one. Okay, so this was the original sketch. I tried to do woman sleeping with a lot of alarm bells and cats. And this is what it turned out to be like. It's not done yet, obviously. I just think I have some kind of theme going, not this one. Obviously my theme is red hair, because, yeah. This was actually the first watercolor painting that I did when I first started to get into this again. A woman in bed with a lot of cats. This one also with wine. But back to this. Just going to give you a hot tip before I start actually using this, because I mean I should have known, and I actually did know because it has happened to me before, but I didn't use this kind of product for many years ago. So when you are using masking fluid, I mean this is basically like a glue that you can rip off after. You need to have a dedicated brush. A brush that you are not afraid that will get ruined or anything like that, because it is going to be destroyed. So, this is my brush of choice. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but no. I'll turn the camera. Yeah, you see? It's like this glue-like residence all over it. So, and you can't save it, so it's basically going to be destroyed. So this is the brush I'm using for that. It's a cheap brush. I did the mistake of using this one. This is lucky enough, not an expensive brush, but I did like it. And as you can see, it has like parts of glue in between. And I don't think I will be able to get it off, but I'll give it a try. And if not, I'll just have to throw it away, or maybe use it for the masking fluid, actually, for bigger parts, maybe. It is a big brush. So, I wanted to add more of the masking fluid to this piece. As I already said, I have done like stripes on the pillows, some small details on the clock, her hair. And I was thinking of doing like this part white and also this, because I think I'm going to write something on this later and it will be easier to just have like this part clean. So yeah, and maybe also the book. Yes, the book. As you can see, it has this like weird texture. I think I'm gonna have to turn the lid back on and give it a shake. Okay, yeah, that's much better. Okay. And now I'm going to apply this to this part without being messy. And if I mess it up, I'm gonna let it dry and then just take it off. That's what's so nice about this product. So actually, I'm also quite happy using this brush. It's easy to use. Just gonna need some more. Okay. I had to do most of this off camera because it was hard to hold the phone while also making this perfect. But I think we have it now. You can see you see like this part, it's like rubber. Yeah. Okay, I think that's good. I was thinking of maybe doing the book white, but I think I'll wait. I'll let this one dry and I will be back and I will paint this finish and also the hair, and when I've done that I'll come back and I'll show you the results.